What's up everybody? In today's video I am installing fleet graphics on a big box truck. I'm way out here in 29 Palms. As you can tell, there's desert behind me, and yeah, it took me 2 hours to get out here. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. About an hour into my drive, I hit the windy road. My car's pulling to the right. Yeah, I don't normally come out this way. This is a repair on a job I did a long time ago, and so that's why I'm coming back out, and they're paying for it. So with that being said, let's get started with this install. Oh, I made it. All right, let's go clean it up. Okay, everything's going on really good. Got the blue done. Now I'm gonna do the light blue right here. Man, that piece gave me trouble right there. I didn't do a good job like aligning it properly, so I kind of had to stretch it. So I'll make sure to get the right gap right here. But I got it. So that's what experience teaches you, how to get yourself out of a pickle, basically. Yeah, I just got these two little pieces. They gave me 10-foot pieces, each color, so I think I got enough. Okay, that was the last cut, this little piece. Gonna throw out my trash and head back home. 2-hour drive here. And that's it, I'm out. I'm like way out here. All right, I am done. It took about an hour and a half to finish. From like setup to tear down and everything. Now I got 2-hour drive. It is 1:20. Hopefully I'll be home at 3:20. I've done a lot of fleet vehicle graphics like this in the past. I don't do them that much anymore. I do a lot of clear bras. But yeah, I still enjoy doing fleet graphics. You know, just change it up every once in a while. Yeah, if this is something you're interested in seeing more of, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will be posting more content of different types of installs that I do. So that's it for this video. Hit like if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks.